Hello and welcome back everybody. If you want to cancel your Uber Eats membership on your Uber Eats application, in today's video we are going to guide you through the process. So without any delay, let's just dive right in and get started. You can start by accessing your Uber Eats application for that, and once you access it up, once you are logged in, look out for your profile account option in the bottom right corner and select it. After you do so, your account page opens up, and within the given options you just need to scroll down and get to the section for Uber One, which should be a bit below, so you can scroll down until you reach over there and select it. And after you select it, here you'll be finding a bunch of options. From the given options as well, you need to scroll and get to the section for Manage Memberships, which should be right below, a little bit below. So once you find it up, you can just go over and click on it. And after you click on it, there you will be finding a membership that you currently have. Now you just need to head over and select that membership. Or right below at the very last, you should be finding a section for Manage Membership. You can just go over and click on that option right there, and there you should be finding End Membership. You can end it up by clicking on End Membership and confirm it up. You need to give a reason why you would like to do so. And once you give a reason, select it, continue. You just need to continue and your membership will be ending on your Uber Eats. And that's it everybody. If you'd like to cancel your Uber Eats membership, this is the method you can follow, pretty quick and easy. So we hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.